1 Peter 5 verse 8 tells us that the adversary, the devil, as a roaring lion, walketh about seeking whom he may devour. Amen? Being a believer makes us a target. Amen? Satan is on a mission to devour us, the children of God. He came out of alignment with God and the things of God. And now his mission is to seek for us to do the same. He wants us to come out of alignment with God. And that is the fight that we are in. Amen. And I want us to think about an analogy like this. We know that there are wars going on in the world. I want you to imagine and to think about this fight like we're in a war zone. Amen?